Good day everyone, in this video, we're going to make DC motion sensor prototype. First, put the VGT transistor into breadboard. 1.5K resistor connect to emitter of VGT transistor. 56 ohm resistor connect to base of transistor. Put the LED and buzzer in breadboard in same line. Collector of transistor connect to ground of LED and buzzer. Breadboard connector put into motion sensor. Out of motion sensor connect to base of VGT transistor. And also ground of motion sensor connect to emitter of transistor. And positive of motion sensor connect to positive line of LED and buzzer. Ground of battery connect to emitter of VGT transistor, and also positive of battery connect to positive line of LED and buzzer.